OK，我哋睇睇第二堆 examples 啊，係 stative verbs examples 啊。今次咧就係 be 咧即係咁解啦。當然 be 咧佢通常咧就唔可以單獨用出嚟嘅，要變成一啲叫做verb to be 啦verb to be 去做出嚟㗎。咁如果係 simple present 嘅就 is am are 啦，根據嗰個 subject 而變啦。當然 OK 嗱係咧就冇係緊嘅嚇，呢個常理大家都唔難明嘅。咁所以因此咧佢係一個狀態嚟㗎，唔會係緊嘅。所以咧我哋就唔會有 present continuous 嘅，唔會有一個進行式嘅一個形態嘅。OK， 咁所以咧，永遠佢哋都係一個狀態，用 simple present。我哋 today is Friday， 今日係禮拜五啊，我哋唔會 today is， 我哋唔會寫做 today is being Friday， 我哋唔會咁樣寫嘅。today is being Friday 唔會咁寫嘅。OK， 好，跟住睇睇第二個 example 啦。第二個 common 嘅一個常用嘅就係 exist 啦，常見 exist 可以解存在啦、生存啦、繼續生存啦、生活咁嘅意思。我哋睇睇呢個 examples。Hunger exists in many parts of the world. Hunger exists in many parts of the world. OK，hunger 咧係 hungry 嘅 noun 啦，佢係一個名詞嚇。飢餓咧係存在於世界嘅好多嘅角落嘅嚇。OK， 存在於好多角落。呢個存在咧唔會，我哋呢個咧就唔會講存在緊嘅。我哋唔會嘅 is 寫 is existing，is existing， 唔會寫做 is existing 嘅。呢個唔會咁樣寫嘅。呢個永遠都係一個 state， 係一個狀態嘅存在，唔會存在緊嘅。雖然喺我哋中文可能你會感覺到可以 make sense 可以合理咁，但係咧喺英文裏面 exist 呢個字咧，永遠都係一個 state 嚟嘅，一個狀態嚟嘅，因此佢永遠都係用 present simple 嘅。OK， 仲有啦，呢啲嘅抽象嘅名詞咧，我哋當佢係單數嘅，因此咧呢個咧做 agreement 嘅時候要 s。OK， 好啦，繼續睇睇咯。第二個 quote。OK， 呢個 quote 咧。就係 Helen Keller 海倫凱勒啦，就係咧美國以前嘅一個作家啦。咁佢咧其實係又聾又啞嘅，咁變咗咧係喺佢嘅過程佢要好大嘅努力，經過好大嘅毅力，佢先能夠咧成才。佢係一個好叻嘅人啦。佢能夠咁多嘅障礙咧都能夠咧成才，亦都係證明到佢呢一點咧。我哋睇睇佢呢句名言 ：Security is mostly a superstition. Security is mostly a superstition.It does not exist in nature, nor the children of man as a whole experience it. Avoiding danger is no safer in the long run than outright exposure. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. 嗱，呢句深少少，佢話咧安全感咧，其實咧多數係一種迷信嚟嘅 superstition， 冇一種咧話真正嘅安全嘅一個世界同埋生命。It does not exist in nature， 係唔會存在。留意用 simple present 應該係一個狀態動詞。It does not exist in nature， 唔會存在喺大自然界，亦都 nor 亦都唔會存在喺咧，唔會咧人類嘅子女咧，即係我哋啦，係整體咧係經歷緊呢樣嘢嘅。Security 係唔存在嘅根本安全感呢樣嘢。Avoiding danger 係避免危險咧，其實咧喺長期嚟講咧 ，in the long run 即係長期嚟講係唔會俾咧你去勇敢咁樣去面對一啲困難，面對一啲逆境咧，係更加嚟得咧安全嘅。OK，life is either a daring adventure or nothing。生命咧，人生本身咧，其實只不過係你一個要好夠膽去嘅冒險歷奇嚟嘅。咁咧，其實咧，如果你唔敢咧，就係一個咧係一個虛妄嚟嘅。Life is either a daring adventure or nothing。OK， 好，今日講到咁，thanks for watching。